Labhan kong damit mo, tayo na. Baka umulan mamaya. So scary naman. Oh no! Zombie! Oh no! Zombie!
Friend, hey sir.
Huh?
No, where's me?
Oh, scared. Oh no! Zombie. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, sorry. The zombie bite you. Oh no! Help me! Help me! Aya is here. This one, oh. This one, oh. Let them to pay. Going to pay first.
Ow.
Cold. So cold.
No, guys, hot.
It's hot. It's hot? I'm going to put in the plastic first. What's this? Oh, let's go, Malak. May sa farm.
Guys.
May door na yung aming ano,
Boom.
bahay. Oh, go na. Go with Daddy, bilis.
No, my eyes.
Chup kan, chup, chup.
Guys, update sa aming farm. Wow, may new bed na.
Come on, mommy.
Go to Daddy.
Open that.
Okay. Open ice cream.
Share to Daddy the ice cream, okay?
Okay?
Don't eat all of it, okay?
Okay, Aya, okay?
Dito sa gilid, lalagyan pa na.
Oh, I like this.
Lalagyan ng ano. Ito yung kitchen ba? Ewan ko kung kitchen to o living area. Hindi ko alam kung ano plano nila dito. Basta yan. Yan ang aming pan. Ang daming tubig na guys. Kasi ilang araw umulan. Magandang balita para sa aming mga isda. Oh, put your hair already. Dami ah. Hindi mo kumakain na ano eh. Hindi lang kinakain mo sa ice cream. Apa lang kinakain mo eh. Sila ng palay ah. Taniman ng palay ngayon. Pati doon sa likod. Na pinaparenta namin sa tito niya. Na lupa namin. Tataniman din ng palay. Tito rin niya ang nagtatanim dito. Diba? Bongga, ang dami. Daddy going to look the fish. Sa pinsan ni husband din. Diba? Ang taas na ng tubig ng ano namin. Pan namin. Nakaraan, kitang-kita mo na yung lupa dyan. Ngayon, nakapaw na. Ah? Dirty the car. Oh, yung car dirty daw.
How about that? Huh? Are dirty. What did you put?
Daddy, going to clean that later, okay? Nakarami-rami kami na huling isda eh. Pero recently, dala-dalawa lang nakuhuli. Ha? Fish. Na ice cream. Nauuna yung sa likod. Tapos apal lang kinakain niya. Ano kaaya? Oo, yung pala yung tito niya husband. Hindi yun masyadong maitan doon siya. Nagkaano ng bubungkal ng lupa.
Oh, may fishing.
Later. Just finish it first.
Huh?
Saan na hands mo? Kasi. Ay, here na lang. Uy. Small fish na wala put there. Ang aming isda. Marami nang maliliit na isda. Natatakot ako dito sa ano namin. Ay. Tignan nyo guys. Medyo siguro maliliit to nandito sa malapit. Mga ba sila sa malayo.
Aya. Don't go up, okay?
Edit ko siya kaagad para ma-upload ko agad. Wala kami masyadong tanim. Hindi pa kami nagtatanim ulit. Hindi ko alam kung kailan magtatanim si Ben. Pucha is lolo. Uubusan ako ng memory. Ano ba yan? Yung isa kong memory card, sira na. Okay. May talim ng palay. Dati guys, pumunta kami dito. Last namin punta dito. May nakita kami ahas. Kaya nadala kami pumunta dito sa part na to. Punta kami dun sa aming lupain. Balik na kami guys, naiwan na ako. Save ko yung aking natitirang memory para mamaya mag-gender reveal kami. Hindi ko alam kung isasali ko pa dito or panibagong vlog. Okay guys, see you later again.
Yay! Aya, touch it.
Touch the fish.
Aya, touch it.
Dami.
What have
ไม่ได้เสียดายนะ
fish?
ตะกี้ไปหา
กุ้ง
ตะกี้ไปหาเก็บไปให้เป็ดเอาไปย่าง
กุ้งบ่
ใช่
วิกุ้งใหญ่แท้
ขาขาดตัวนี้
แล้วกุ้งใหญ่จังน่ะ
เราเตรียมอยู่ป่ะ
They have fish.
เท่ออก
ไม่ใส่วะ
ใส่เบ็ดเลย
One, two, three. Here's yan.
Wow!
Where's the color? You're going to let them to see your color. The color, please. It's a girl. Let them to see. Let's
Where's girl?
the pink one. Yay! Another Arya. Another baby girl. Oy.